Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above this breakout point at 44 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 44, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a big picture point of view, and a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 44 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy here. The party finally stopped today during that final 30 minutes right up there at essentially 49 cents. So keep an eye on that, but really resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean? Well, what matters the most is what the price really started to do the past couple of days. So if you start to look at these lows and where they've been, so you had lows there, there, and there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, this is what it's all about right there, building stair steps in the upwards direction, because as long as you have those bases getting higher and higher, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and just focus on building those higher bases and just sit back and let the trend continue to build upon itself. But definitely a very nice movement today. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.